Vader, what are you doing, boy? Huh? Get that. Crazy boy. Yeah, carport update. Yeah, we got a lot done yesterday. Finish out a little bit of this roof here. Had to get some more pieces made. Corners. Had to get some more pieces made and delivered yesterday. Should finish out all the outside metal. Maybe do some trim on around the top, that's all we left. Like my car will have a place to live. My car, boat, a 3-wheel vehicle. Yeah. Finally. Yeah, we're having a brownout this morning. So, I don't think we need power for what we need to do. So, okay. That looks pretty good. I think the trim done up there. Alright. Eventually, I think I'm going to paint it, the red sides, to match this color, ivory. But for now, you can't get it made in ivory, or in ivory, it's made it red or whatever color, but not ivory. So, in the future, I'll paint it ivory to match. Right now, red's good. Okay, everyone, wait for the power to come back. More again later. Bye-bye.